भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। In Mandukya, Prathama mantra discussed the Omkara, and this Omkara is the Abhidhanam. From Dvitiya mantra to Saptama mantra, there was Atma Vichara, nature of Atma as Brahma, Atma being Chatushpat, and the description of the four padas was done. Atma means Aham Pada Lakshyartha. So Aham Pada Lakshyartha is Chatushpat and Aham Pada Lakshyartha is Brahma. This was pointed out. Now it is up to me to understand, to recognize that I myself alone am appearing as the waking world, dream world, deep sleep world, or when the world is withdrawn, and I myself am devoid of all conditionings of Vyashti as well as Samashti. It was indicated through Nantah Prajnam, Na Bahish Prajnam, No Bhayatah Prajnam, etc. This truth was revealed. Now, those students who are Uttama Adhikaris, they understood and they could withdraw themselves from samsara, from all unnecessary clutters of mind, because they could negate the mind itself. Prapanchopashamam. Mind is the main prapancha. For Madhyama and Manda Adhikari, the same Atma Vichara is now carried out by Abhidheya Pradhana, Abhidhana Pradhana. Second mantra to seventh mantra was Abhidheya Pradhana. Abhidheya means what is indicated. Abhidhanam is the indicator. Indicator is Om. So now for Madhyama Manda Adhikari, Omkar Upasana is elaborated. And this Omkar Upasana, when it is done extensively and successfully, then mind becomes purified, single-pointed, and rises above the smaller issues in life, smaller issues in the world. And then I can recognize my Brahmatva easily. So from 8th mantra, this nature of Omkara was indicated as having 4 matras. Atma has 4 padas, that was already mentioned earlier in 2nd mantra. Now in 8th mantra it was said Atma has, Omkar has 4 matras. And matras and padas, they are mapped. 4 matras, 4 padas. Akara, Ukara, Makara, these are the 3 matras. Then later it will be said there is Amatra, Chaturtha Padaha. So in this way, Omkar has matras, and I can do Omkara Dhyanam to do Atma Dhyanam by meditating on Om. Now this meditation on Om requires practice and tuning. So first you have to do this Pranava Japa for some time, and then gradually, first means, let's say if you do 45 minutes Dhyanam, first 10-15 minutes you do Om Japa with extreme alertness. Then with this understanding of Mandukya, you chant Om slowly and you bring in the meaning from Mandukya. So this is the Dhyana Vidhi. We completed the 8th mantra. Now we are on page number 65. Ninth mantra we are going to begin. Tika. Padanam matranam cha madhye Vishwakhya Visheshasya Akarakhya, Khya is missing, Akarakhya विशेषत्वं नियमयति. पादानां मात्राणां मध्ये, between padas and the matras, विश्वाख्य विशेषस्य अकाराख्य विशेषत्वं. Atma's padas are there. Omkar's matras are there. First pada is Vishwa. First matra is Akara. So Vishwa and Akara, in them Niyamayati. Niyamayati means Shruti gives a niyama. In Bhashya, tatra Vishesha niyamaha kriyate. Vishesha niyama. This is called niyama vidhi. Whenever Shruti wants to give an injunction, in that injunction, three possibilities are there. One is called Apurva vidhi. Second is called Niyama vidhi. And third is Parisankhya vidhi. Apurva vidhi is where otherwise the things are not known. What to do, how to do. So this is the only way to be done. This is called Apurva vidhi. Vidhi ratyantam apraptau. Atyantam aprapta, that which is otherwise not known, in that comes Apurva vidhi. Vidhi means Apurva vidhi. Like Jyotishtomena swarga kamo yajeta. In no other way you know how to do, how to fulfill my desire for swarga. This is Apurva vidhi. You just follow what is given there. That's all. Jyotishtomena swarga kamo yajeta. Second vidhi is Niyama vidhi. Niyamaha pakshike sati. Pakshika. So when there are two pakshas, you can do in one way or the other. Then they give a niyama, a rule, that do this way only, not the other way. And they give the classic example, nakha vidalana of the tandula should not be done, but it should be done through pounding. Remove the husk from the grain to make the purodasha. You have to do pounding, not by removing through your nails or a knife or by putting it in a mixie and zoom you do. Those things are not allowed. This is called Niyama vidhi. And tatra cha anyatra apraptau parisankheti giyate. That is Parisankhya vidhi. Parisankhya vidhi is don't do it this way. So the difference between Niyama and Parisankhya is that in both you know the alternate way to do. But Niyama vidhi says how to do it, Parisankhya vidhi says how not to do it. So the emphasis is on negation in Parisankhya vidhi. So here Niyama vidhi is there. What is this Niyama? That there are 4 padas and 4 matras. I can map any matra with any pada. So it is said no. This is the rule. You have to take Akara and Vishwa together, Ukara and Tejas or Hiranyagarbha together, and Makara and Ishvara or Pragya, and Amatra is Turiya. Only this way and not any other way. This is the rule. Mantra जागरितस्थानो वैश्वानरोकारः
जागरितस्थानो वैश्वानरोकारः
प्रथमा मात्रा
प्रथमा मात्रा
आप्तेरादिमत्वाद्वा
आप्तेरादिमत्वाद्वा
आप्नोति ह वै सर्वान् कामान् आदिश्य भवति
आप्नोति ह वै सर्वान् कामानादिश्च भवति
य एवं वेद
य एवं वेद
जागरितस्थानो वैश्वानरोकारः
जागरितस्थानो वैश्वानरोकारः
प्रथमा मात्रा
प्रथमा मात्रा
आप्तेरादिमत्वाद्वा
आप्तेरादिमत्वाद्वा
आप्नोति ह वै सर्वान् कामान् आदिश्य भवति
आप्नोति ह वै सर्वान् कामानादिश्च भवति
य एवं वेद
य एवं वेद
जागरितस्थानः जागरितं स्थानं यस्य सः जागरितस्थानः बहुव्रीहि समासः वैश्वानरः वैश्वानर is Jagritasthana. Means Vaishwanara Sthanam is Jagaritam. Therefore, Vaishwanara is called Jagritasthana. This is Prathama Matra. The first matra of Omkara and Prathama Pada of Atma. Now, the Siddhi of Sadhana or Upasana, in this case Upasana, is when I hear Akara and Vaishwanara comes to my mind. I hear Ukara and Hiranyagarbha comes to my mind. This much sadhana I should have done. So the person who does this upasana of Om, this much siddhi they should have, that the moment they say a, immediately sthula samashti sthula prapancha upahita chaitanya Vaishwanara should come to their mind. Prathama pada. When they say O, समष्टि सूक्ष्म प्रपंच उपहित चैतन्य और विशिष्ट चैतन्य, समष्टि सूक्ष्म प्रपंच विशिष्ट चैतन्य should come to their mind. And similarly, Makara is Ishvara. Those who can accomplish this, then some result they will have. Now somebody will ask, how did you map Vaishwanara or Prathama Pada of Atma and Prathama Matra of Akara, of Om, which is Akara? So he gives the reason. aptehe, because one is apti. Apti means vyapti is there, pervasiveness. Vaishvanara also pervades, Akara also pervades. One. Second, Adimatvatva, because it is Adiman. Adimat means the one which is foremost. Adihi, Adisthanam, yasya, tat Adimat. Adi sthanam, Napunsakalinga, so no visarga adi. Adi sthanam, yasya, tat Adimat. Vaishvanara has first position. Akara also has first position. This is the similarity, sadrishyam. Because of sadrishyam only, you can map them. The result is given, apnoti havai sarvan kaman. All his kamanas will be satisfied. And adishya bhavati, ya evam veda. Ya evam veda means upasate. The one who does this upasana, all his desires are fulfilled. Sarvan kaman apnoti. Now here there is another very important point. And that is, if I entertain ashastriya kamana, kamanas which are against scriptural injunctions, then those kamanas will not be satisfied, number one. Number two, my upasana siddhi also will not happen. Upasana siddhi will not happen means even shastriya kamanas will not be fulfilled. Why? Because I am entertaining ashastriya vasanas, ashastriya kamanas. So it is very important for the sadhana, upasana siddhi to take place, that I should not entertain ashastriya, nishiddha vasana, number one. And number two, when my vasanas get fulfilled, and if I develop abhimana, ahankara, that see, whatever I desire happens, then also I will fall. So upasaka has to be very careful. One, he should not entertain ashastriya kamana, ashastriya vasanas. Number two, shastriya vasanas also, if he entertains, if they get fulfilled, he should not have ahankara. And number three, if there is another upasaka greater than you, which is possible, if you entertain some desire, let us say, and there is another upasaka, that person is doing greater upasana, long-term upasana, that person also can entertain desires. Then his desire will be fulfilled, and if it is contradicting your desire will not be fulfilled. So, what is the lesson to be learned? Don't entertain desires. So, if I am entertaining nishiddha vasanas, obviously they are to be eliminated. And if I am entertaining shastriya vasana also, gradually they also should be removed. So you see, those who are capable of removing avidya, they should remove avidya through Jnana Yoga. Those who cannot remove avidya, they have to remove kamana. Avidya, kama, karma. So it is said at least through upasana, you remove nishiddha vasanas, you purify your other vasanas. And those who cannot work on upasana also, at the level of kamana, to them it is said you do karma yoga. So at least improve your karma. Then gradually do upasana, then gradually come to jnana yoga, then remove avidya. With the removal of avidya, kama, karma all will go. This is the process. I heard one comment some time back from somebody here that these upasakas, they don't listen to anybody. I don't know to what extent it is true or not. Somebody who, let's say if they are doing some upasana, they don't listen to any other acharya. They will listen to their Ishta Devata. Means that message has to come from Ishta Devata somehow. This is what that person meant. Maybe it is true, we don't know. Okay. So, apnoti havai sarvan kaman and adishcha bhavati, and also he becomes foremost. Foremost means not in any negative things or not where it doesn't matter. He becomes foremost in the group of great people. When it comes to accomplishing great things, he will be the foremost. That is what it means. Ya evam veda, ya evam upasate. भाष्य जागरित स्थानो यह सह ओंकारस्य अकारः. जागरित स्थानो यह वैश्वानरः, that is ओंकारस्य अकारः, that is the of om. प्रथमा मात्रा, that is the first मात्रा. टीका विश्वाकारयोः एकत्वं सादृश्ये सति आरोपयितुं शक्यम्. अन्यत्र सति एव तस्मिन् आरोप संदर्शनात्. विश्वश्च अकारश्च विश्वाकारौ तयोः विश्वाकारयोः. विश्व and akara. Vishwa and akara, their ekatva, how is it possible? Ekatvam sadrishye sati aropaitum shakyam. It is their oneness is possible, it can be projected only if there is similarity. Sadrishye sati aropaitum shakyam. Why? Anyatra sati eva tasmin aropa sandarshanat. Tasmin sadrishye. Anyatra tasmin sati eva. Tasmin sati means sadrishye sati eva. Because elsewhere we have seen that only when there is similarity, then we say they are one. Ekatva is possible. So like we say, Rama is same as Bharata. Ramchandra ji is same as Bharat ji. And Lakshman ji is same as Shatrughna ji. So he says, how did you do this ekatvam? So based on their body complexion. This is the ekatvam. ekatve sadrishyam. And if somebody says no, Ram ji is same as Lakshman ji, Bharat ji is same as Shatrugna ji. So there, what is the sadrishyam? What is the similarity? In their activities, that they both will do same thing, the other two will do same thing, like that. सति एव तस्मिन् आरोप संदर्शनात् तथा च किम तद आरोप प्रयोजकम सादृश्यम. What is that similarity based on which you are doing this equivalence between the two? केन इति. भाष्य केन सामान्येन आह, सामान्येन इति आह. टीका सामान्य उपन्यास पराम श्रुतिम अवतारयति. So now Shruti is given which says that there is a similarity. आप्तेर आप्तिर व्याप्ति अकारेण सर्वावाक व्याप्ता अकारो वै सर्वावाक इति श्रुतेः. आप्तेः means आपति means व्याप्ति. By akara, all speech is pervaded. Sarvavak vyapta. Akaro by sarvavak. A is there in all. So you know, all vyanjanas, hal, they are incomplete without ach. And by default, akara is there in all. Iti shrutehe akaro vai sarvavak. And shruti pramana is there. टीका व्याप्तिम एव अकारस्य श्रुति उपन्यासेन व्यनक्ति. दिस व्याप्ति is said by Shruti. Shruti upanyasa means by presentation of Shruti is referred, is mentioned. Vyanakti. अध्यात्म अधिदैविकयोः एकत्वं पूर्वम् उक्तम् उपेत्य विश्वस्य वैश्वानरस्य जगद व्याप्तिम श्रुत्यवष्टंभेन स्पष्टयति. अध्यात्म एंड अधिदैविक, देर एकत्वम पूर्वम उक्तम उपेत्य. अध्यात्म एंड अधिदैव, so what is within me and what is outside of me, their oneness was already said earlier, where in the third mantra, when Vishwa was explained, Chandogya Shruti, Vaishwanar Vidya quotation was given. Vishwasya Vaishwanarasya Jagad Vyaptim Shruti Avashtambhena Spashtayati. That is mentioned again. Tatha Vaishwanarena Jagat. Tatha Vaishwanarena Jagat Vyaptam, you have to add. Just as Akarena Sarvavak Vyapta, Tatha Vaishwanarena Jagat Vyaptam. This is the mapping. Tasya hava etasya atmano Vaishwanarasya murdhaiva sutejaha. So earlier, this already came, Murdhaiva Sutejaha, and then his Chakshu is Suryaha, and Sandeho Bahulam, Bastireva Raihi, all those what was mentioned earlier that we have to recollect. Ityadi Shrutehe. Kincha सामान्य द्वारा वाच्यवाचकयोः एकत्वम् आरोप्यं न भवति तयोः एकत्वस्य प्रागेव उक्तत्वात् इत्याह. किंच एंड मोरोवर सामान्य द्वारा वाच्यवाचकयोः एकत्वम् आरोप्यं न भवति. By the सामान्य, सामान्य means similarity. सादृश्यम वाच्य वाचको यो हो ऑफ दी वाच्य. Vachya is Atma, Vachaka is Om. So here Vaishwanara and Akara ekatvam aropyam na bhavati tayoho ekatvasya prageva uktatvat ityah. Their ekatva was already mentioned where earlier itself. See in Bhashya. Abhidhan abhideyayoho ekatvam cha avochama. We already had said abhidhana abhideyoho ekatvam. So now we are not saying it only based on the samanyam. Already we know it from the Shruti itself, where it was said that Om is same as Atma. Om ityetad aksharamidagam sarvam tasya upavyakhanam bhutam bhavat bhavishyaditi tat sarvam omkara eva yacchanyatri tadapyonkara eva sarvagam hi etad brahma ayam atma brahma. So all this is Om, all this is Brahma, this Atma is Brahma. In this way it was mentioned. Samanyantaram aha. Now another samanya is given. Adirasya vidyate ityadimat. आदि अस्य विद्यते इति आदिमत. ये है आदि वाला आदिमत. आदि ही अस्य विद्यते. अच्छा, सो दे हैव पुट. हाँ, if you use sthanam then you have to use only adi, but if you use only adi then visarga will be adi asya vidyate iti adimat. यथैव आदिमत अकाराख्यम अक्षरम तथैव वैश्वानरः. Just as it is आदिमत अकाराख्यम अक्षरम तथैव वैश्वानरः. In the same way वैश्वानर also. तदेव स्फुटयति तथैवेति. That itself is elaborated now. Sphutayati tathaivyati. Adimad akarakhyam aksharam tathaiva vaishwanarah. So tathaiva vaishwanarah tasmadva samanyad akaratvam vaishwanarasya. Tasmat means because of the samanya similarity. Remember, all this explanation is actually so that I get inspired to do upasana. What is the similarity and what is the quotation? Akaro vai sarvavak and etasya havai tasya atmano vaishvanarasya murdeva suteja ityadi ityadi. All this is for that purpose. वैश्वानरस्य अकारत्वम. टीका. उकारो मकारश्च इति उभयम अपेक्ष्य प्रथम पाठात् आदिमत्वम अकारस्य द्रष्टव्यम. With respect to ukara and makara, akar is first. Ubhayam apeksha prathama pathat, because it is mentioned first. Therefore adimatvam akarasya drashtavyam. It should be seen that akara is first. विश्वस्य पुनः आदिमत्वं तैजस प्राज्ञावपेक्ष्य आद्य स्थाने वर्तमानत्वाद इत्यर्थः. And with respect to Tejas and Prajna, Vishwa is first. Therefore, Adya Sthane Vartamanatvad ityarthah. उक्तस्य सामान्यांतरस्य फलं दर्शयति. उक्तस्य सामान्यांतरस्य. So now this two types of similarities are given. Samanyam and samanyantaram means anyat samanyam, samanyantaram. Another similarity, both are given. Now its result, phalam darshayati. Tasmat. Tasmad va samanyat akaratvam vaishvanarasya. So for this, either for the reason of being first or earlier reason was given because it is pervading. For either way, they are mentioned that there is similarity. Tad ekatva vidaha phalam aha. Tika first. Kim artham इत्थम सामान्य द्वारा तयोः एकत्वम उच्यते तद विज्ञानस्य फलत्वम फलवत्वात् इत्याह. Why this similarity between the two? Through सामान्य द्वारा एकत्वम तयोः एकत्वम उच्यते, oneness is seen. So tad vijnanasya phalam, the result of this knowledge is mentioned. What is the phalam? आपनोति हवै सर्वान् कामान् आदिहि प्रथमश्च भवति महताम या एवं वेद. So he attains all the desired objects. आपनोति हवै सर्वान् कामान्. काम्यन्ते iti kamaha. This vyutpatti you have to take. What is desired, those objects, he attains all. And prathamascha bhavati, he becomes first. You say, oh, he becomes first, so if he is a thief, he will be great thief. If he is a corrupt person, he will be the foremost among corrupts. It is said, no, mahatam, among great things, among great people, he will be first. Ya evam veda, veda upasate. Yathoktam ekatvam veda ityarthaha. Sadrishya vikalpad eva phala vikalpa. In similarity, there is vikalpa. And therefore, phala also has vikalpa. So, two similarity. In other words, whichever similarity you focus on for upasana, that result you will get. If you focus on the guna of pervading, then you will get the result pervading. Means all kamanas will be fulfilled. If you want to be first among everybody, good people, you have to meditate on adimatva of akara and vaishvanara. Further, द्वितीय पादस्य द्वितीय मात्रायाः च एकत्वं व्यपदिश्यति. द्वितीय पाद and द्वितीय मात्रा, their ekatvam. द्वितीय पाद is Hiranyagarbha and द्वितीय मात्रा is ukara. स्वप्नस्थानस्तैजस उकारो द्वितीया मात्रोत्कर्षादुभयत्वाद्वोत्कर्षति हवै.
उकारो द्वितीया मात्रोत्कर्षादुभयत्वाद्वोत्कर्षति हवै.
ज्ञानसन्ततिं समानश्च भवति. नास्या ब्रह्मवित्कुले भवति य एवं वेद. स्वप्नस्थानस्तैजस उकारो द्वितीया मात्रोत्कर्षादुभयत्वाद्वोत्कर्षति हवै. ज्ञानसन्ततिं समानश्च भवति
ज्ञानसन्ततिं समानश्च भवति
नास्या ब्रह्मवित् कुले भवति य एवं वेद
नास्या ब्रह्मवित् कुले भवति य एवं वेद
So very similar. Swapnasthana, Taijasa, Ukaro, Dvitiya Matra. This part you already know. It is the second Matra. Swapnasthana again is Bahuvriya Samana. Swapnam Sthanam Yasya. Saha Swapnasthanaha Taijasaha. What is the Sadrishyam? Utkarshat Ubhayatvat. Utkarsha is there. Utkarsha means little higher, little greater than Prathama Matra. This is the Utkarsha, Utkarshat. And Ubhayatvat, it is between the two. So it has both first and third. Second is between first and third. This is Ubhayatvatva. This is the Sadrishyam. What is the Phalam? Utkarshati havai jnana santatim. Where is the Utkarsha? In Jnana Santati, there is Utkarsha. In knowledge. So, his lineage will have people who are wise people, and it will continue. Samanascha bhavati. Samanascha bhavati means between the two parties, he will be neutral, samanam. Because just as the middleman between first and third, he has to be neutral. He cannot take paksha. Like that he will be. In other words, when two people have dispute, he will try to fix the problem by being the middle person. Or two companies have problem, two nations have conflict, war, then third country will say, okay, we will do the peace process, like that. See, Samana. न अस्य अब्रह्मवित् कुले भवति. अस्य कुले अब्रह्मवित् न भवति. य एवं वेदा. The one who does such upasana, in his lineage, everybody will be knower of Brahma, either directly or indirectly. Because a wise person is there, realized master, Sakshat Guru Mukhena Shravanam, or through Parampara. Sometimes Paramparaya you have to do Shravanam. So still, like Sanjay says, in Bhagavad Gita, Sakshat Guru Mukhena cha. I have heard, and Sakshat Bhagwan's Mukha. I have heard from Bhagwan directly. And I have seen Bhagwan directly. Others have heard Gita through different people, like that. So, na abrahmavit kule bhavati. 1 number tippani on that page says, Shishya prashishyadi rupe vidyavamsha. So here, kula means, you say, but we are sannyasis, what kulam we will have? You say, no, you are shishya, prashishya. Shishya, they all will know. They all will be Shrotriya Brahmanishtha. As much as possible in this life, but if not, next or in few lives, they will get it like that. Let us see. Bhashya. Swapnasthanas taijaso yaha saha omkarasya ukaro dvitiya matra. This is the second matra. Swapnasthana taijasa. Taijasa means Hiranyagarbha. You remember. This is the second matra of Om, Ukara. Tika. Yatha prathama padasya prathama matrayahascha ekatvam samanyam puraskritya uktam. In the prathama pada and prathama matra, some samanya was mentioned, then upasana was mentioned. तथा द्वितीयपादस्य द्वितीयमात्रायाः च एकत्वं सति एव सामान्ये वक्तव्यं तदभावे तद आरोप अयोगात् इति पृच्छति. In the same way, Dvitiya Pada, Dvitiya Matra, some ekatvam when is there, means Sadrishya is there, then only this aropa is possible. And tadabhave tad aropa ayogat. Iti pruchhati. So what is the similarity because of which this ekatva you are mentioning? Kena samanyena ityaha. What is the similarity? Samanya upanyasa purvakam ekatvam aropam sadhayati. So samanya upanyasa purvakam. By putting the samanya, there ekatvam is done. Aha. Utkarshat. First is because of the utkarsha. Akarasya sarvavak vyapakatvena utkrishtvatsya spashtatvat. Katham tasmad ukarasya utkarsho vanyate. You say you already said akara pervades everything. Sarvavak vyapaka akara is there. So that which pervades all is already superior. Now you are saying U is superior to A also. How is that possible? Katham tasmad ukarasya. Tasmad akarat. Ukarasya utkarsho katham varnyate. Tatraha. Akarat utkrishta iva. He ukara hai. Ukara is utkrishta only iva, not really. What do you mean iva? Because really A is great, but because U requires greater effort, U comes higher in the order. A, U, A, I, U, Ayun. So you say U is Utkarsha in that way. तथा तैजसो विश्वाद उभयत्वात् वा अकार मकारयोः मध्यस्थ उकार है. In the same way, ukar has utkarsha. And second is, so tatha taijaso vishwat. One line is, one sentence is over there. Huh? Taijaso vishwat. Then ubhayatvat va. This is the next one. Or for it being in the middle of both. Akara makarayoho madhyastha ukara. Just as U is between A and Ma, Vishwa Pragnayoho tatha Vishwa Pragnayor madhye Taijasa. Taijasa is between Vishwa and Pragnya. Ato ata ubhaya bhaktvam. U is missing. I think in my book at least U is missing. I don't know in your book. Ubhaya bhaktvam, not bhaya bhaktvam. Ubhaya bhaktva samanyat. It is in between, so it is ubhaya bhak. See tika. Akarasya utkarshe vastave api pathakramat. Ukarasya utkarshavatvam aupacharikam iva karascham amum artham upodbalayati. Akara's utkarsha is vastava. But in pathakrama, U comes after A. Therefore, it has aupacharika utkarsha, and that is indicated by iva by bhashyakara. Iva karascha amum artham. Amum artham means this meaning. Ivakara is pointing out this meaning. Upodbalayati means it indicates, it pronounces. Yatha akarad ukarasya utkarsho darshitaha tatha vishwat taijasasya utkarsho vaktavyaha. Just as U is greater than A, akara, in the same way, from Vishwa, Taijasa, Utkarsha is there. And that is easy to explain. How? Sukshmabhimaninaha, then one word is missing. स्थूलाभिमानिनः सकाशात् उत्कर्षस्य युक्तत्वाद् इत्याह. सूक्ष्म अभिमानिनः is sixth case. Sthulaabhimaninah is fifth case. Sthulaabhimaninah sakashat. In the proximity of Sthula Abhimani, compared to that, Sukshma Abhimani is superior. So Sukshma Abhimaninah, Sthula Abhimaninah Sakashat. Sthula Abhimani, in that proximity when Sukshma Abhimani comes, he is superior. Why? Because in his drishti, he is seeing subtle things. Like a person who sees only gross things, the person who recognizes only sthula people, sthulatva, that person is not considered great. Person who recognizes subtle things, subtle qualities, that person is considered great. तथा इति उकार तैजसयोः न प्रत्येकम् उभयत्वम् एकस्य उभयत्व व्याघातात् इति आशंक्य व्याकरोति. उकार and तैजस, U and तैजस हिरण्यगर्भ, between them न प्रत्येकम् उभयत्वम् एकस्य उभयत्व व्याघातात्. It is not that Ukara is Ubhaya or Taijasa is Ubhaya. Do you want to say U and Taijasa both? Because each is only one. It said no, what we mean is this. Akara in Bhashya. अकारात् उत्कृष्ट इव हि उकारः तथा तैजसो विश्वाद् उभयत्वात् वा अकारमकारयोः so that akar you will have to take. First of all, akaroti, that pratik will not be correct. Pratik should be akara iti, not akaroti. Akara iti. And it refers to that akarat, so there. Or you have to say akaradeti. Akaraditi. Akaraditi will become the pratika. So madhyasthatva, see in tika further. Madhyasthatvad ukara taijasayoho ubhaya bhaktatvam. Ubhaya means it is in both. Where both? Between akara and makara is ukara. In the same way, between Vaishwanara and Prajna is Hiranyagarbha. Between Sthula Prapancha and Karana Prapancha is Sukshma Prapancha. Tad upahita, tad abhimani chaitanya. Madhyastatvad ukara taijasayoho ubhaya bhaktvam samanyam. Tasmat tayoho ekatvam shakyam aropaitum ityaha. Therefore, their oneness is possible to assign. Ata iti. अतः उभय भाक्त्व सामान्यात्. टीका यथोक्तैकत्व विज्ञानम फलवत्वात् उपादेयम् इति सूचयति. यथोक्त एकत्व विज्ञानम, this विज्ञानम फलवत्वात्, because it is fruitful, it has good result. Therefore, upadeyam, this one should do. Vidvat phalam uchyate. टीका ज्ञान संतते उत्कर्षो नाम कुतश्चित् तस्या भेदावेदनम तस्य इष्टत्वाभावे कथम फलवत्वम इत्याशंक्य व्याचष्टे. ज्ञान संततिज उत्कर्षो नाम कुतश्चित् तस्या भेदावेदनम. I think we'll have to do this in the next session because there is a lot of tippani also which we can cover. But main idea is covered, so the emphasis I want to make is this, that since we have those who have already understood and are able to abide in it, they don't need to worry. But for others, they can add this upasana in their regular sadhana, akara, ukara, makara, this sadhana, sitting, doing the chanting and doing the mapping of a uma. This is the highest shruti prescribed sadhana. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Avashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.